Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to share a Google Sheet presentation with another contributor. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the share button at the top. You can go ahead and add people from your contact list or copy and paste your email addresses in here. Or you can also copy the link and just email it to them and then select done once you're done. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.